What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how I set up my automatic campaigns to get extremely low ACOS, just like this one and this one and this one. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. You're not going to want to miss this. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and for those who don't know me, I'm Ecom Dave. I'm a six-figure Amazon FBA seller and FBA coach. This channel is all about entrepreneurship and obviously Amazon FBA. Okay guys, so let's dive right into it. But before I get started, I want to talk to you guys about calculating your ACOS. Okay, so calculating your ACOS is quite simple. You have your price, what you're selling for on Amazon, right? Your listed price, which is 21. Now, for example, on this example, we're gonna say you're selling your product for $21.99, and your profit for your product, right? This is after your cost for the product and shipping your product to Amazon. You're gonna add those up and subtract it from your price. So then this is your profit. You're gonna divide your profit by your price on Amazon, and you're gonna get your ACOS, right? In this case, it's 0.33, which equals to a 33% ACOS. You're gonna remember that number because you're going to need it for when you're running ads. Every time your campaign ads are performing on more than your ACOS, and that means you're pretty much losing money. So you want to keep all your ads below your ACOS. Okay, so it's a very important number to remember to make sure you're operating your business at a profit. So now I'm going to show you guys how I create my my automatic campaigns, so I know they're going to be below my ACOS and getting me a lot of sales for a very cheap price. So we're going to go to Campaign Manager, and I'm going to show you guys a couple of examples here. Here I have one. Look, I spent $367, I sold 56 units, and I generated 1,381 sales at an ACOS of 26%. Okay, here's another one. I spent $214. I got 39 orders from that, and the sales were $816. I operated at an ACOS of 26%. Here I have another one. This is brand new. I spent $20 and I got 8 sales. $125 generated at a cost of 16%. Okay. Here I just launched this one, 24 cents, and I got a sale already at $21.99 at 1% ACOS. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys how I create this this low bid campaigns. That kind of, you just set it up and they kind of just work in the background. They just generate you money, right? You set it up and you just forget about it and you let it run. That's it. You don't have to keep on checking it. That's the beautiful thing about it. So you're gonna go to create campaign, and we're gonna name this campaign low bid, and we're gonna do a daily budget of 30. We're gonna do automatic targeting, dynamic bids down only. We're gonna do low bid again, right? And obviously you can write like the name or your product or whatever, and then we're gonna add your product, and here's where you the important part. You're gonna do 10 cents, okay? And you're gonna launch a campaign, and you're gonna just let it run for about a week or so, and you're gonna come back to it, see if you got any sales, and see where your ACOS is at. So if, let's say, for your ACOS is at like your city ACOS is 33%, like the example, and you come back and you see your ACOS is at 10, you're gonna raise the bid, because that means that you are getting a lot of sales, right? So that means if you raise the bid, you're gonna get more impressions for that automatic targeting campaign. So come back, if you see that your ACOS is at like a 10%, you know, raise your bid to 20 cents until you get close to your ACOS percentage, and then just leave it at that default bid. So what I usually do with these, I'll come back and I'll run like 5 low bids at a time per product and see which one's performing better, and the ones that are not getting that many impressions, I'll just pause them. And I'll just let the ones that are getting a lot of impressions and a lot of sales run, and I'll increase the bid on those, right? So for example, I'll launch a campaign, and then I'll come back and I'll do low bid 2, you know, for the same product, and then low bid 3, low bid 4, and the same thing. You know, I'll do a set the full bid of 10 cents for each of the low bid campaigns. So remember, I'll do like at least 5 low bids, right? Because you can do as many campaigns as you want for your product, and then come back a week later and see which one's performing better, and then pause the ones that are not performing as well, and then I'll raise the bid on the ones that are getting a lot of impressions. Simple as that, guys. Guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, because I give knowledge bombs like this ones all the time. And if you haven't yet, please add yourself to our private Facebook group family. And I have a big announcement. I'm opening up my coaching program spots up this month. Okay, I'm only going to open up 5 spots, and I've already had a bunch of applications come in. I do like to keep my coaching program very small, because I do spend a lot of time with my students. So if you are interested on learning more about my coaching program or applying for it, I'm going to leave a link on the description. You can apply for my one-on-one coaching program, right? This is different. This is not a course. I go one-on-one with you, and I help you build your business personally from 0 to over $100,000 in revenue. Okay, so if you are interested, just click on the button on the description that has an apply and then an arrow to the link, and then you can apply. And after you apply, then we'll be able to get on a phone call, and then we can talk about how I can personally help you build your business. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next.